So I stated that we've caught a bunch of lionfish. Obviously, we're going to fillet one of the biggest ones up because bigger ones are much easier to fillet than the smaller ones. But I'm just going to show you how I go about doing the lionfish for filleting them up for consumption. So what I do, I cut right along there the gill plate here, and try to avoid the stomach if I can, so I don't get any bones. Do one cut right along here. Now I'm going to do one cut right along the backbone, close to the backbone as possible. Right here, there we go. Okay, just going to start like this. And I go through to the other side here, and I go down to the back there. And I'll flip it to the other side, or to the belly, excuse me. And I'll do the same thing on that side. So I will just give it a little cut here, right along the bone, so we get the most meat possible from this fish. Because lionfish don't necessarily give you a lot of meat, so you gotta try to use as much as you can. And if you look inside here, you can see the meat's really super white. Okay, so I'm just gonna right to the backbone here, and then when I get back here, I'm just gonna go there and leave the little bit of skin right here. And now I'm gonna go do the other side right along the backbone, right along the ribs, or the bones, excuse me. Try not to cut through the bones if possible. And then I'll push it up. Going through up to the top. This way here, we've managed to leave the rib bones here, I believe. We'll just double check it, but we got a couple there, but we'll just remove those quickly here. So we'll just remove a few rib bones that we got there. And there we have it, part of the fillet. Now we'll just take right from the tail here, go down, and then right along the bottom of the skin here. And I butchered that one, but oh well, that happens sometimes. I'm a little out of practice, sorry guys. So we'll do the same thing on this one here. And when I mentioned about leaving the tail meat on, this is why I left it on here, so I can grab it like this, go down, move this over to the edge here a bit so I can get a flat cut on it, so I don't leave skin on it like I'm doing. That one's a bit better. Great lionfish fillets. Now just throw it in some cold water here with salt and ice in it, and this is garbage. Easier, I'm going to do the same cuts. Do one here, and I'm going to do a shallow one along here. Again, right along the backbone. And then I'm going to go to the belly. I'm going to do another one right along the belly here. Okay, and then what you can do is you come up here and you can peel a piece of this skin off here, and then you can grab it off, you can grab it and you can give it a pull, and then that way you get all the skin off and you don't waste any meat like I did on the first one. And then you just go ahead and then start filleting it just like you would any other type of fish. Okay, so this is what we ended up getting from our 10 lionfish that we got yesterday. There's not tons of meat there, but you know what, there's a fair decent amount, and but that's good for maybe a couple people. So we'll wait, we'll put these in the freezer I think for a bit, and then hopefully we'll get some more in the next few days, and we'll end up making either some, I don't know, maybe deep fried lionfish or some ceviche, or we will see. Thank you very much.
Cut.